Hi, I will walk you through the job requisitions. So under the Smart ATS menu options, there is an option called job requisition. So by clicking on the job requisition, it will take us to the summary window of job requisitions. So we can see here the list of all the job requisitions here, and based on the job title or job type, and we can also see the display showing the status of the job. So if the particular job is active or inactive, the status will be updated here, and we can get notified. And we can also see the work permit required for the job and skill sets, position. So these are the initial open positions. Once over the recruitment cycle, if any position gets closed, then this open positions gets updated. We can see the current open positions here, and the state it belongs to, and city, and the age in number of days, and recruiter who has created this job. And we can either edit or delete the particular job by clicking on these buttons. And we can also control the display based on number of days, 30 days, 60 days, and so on. And we can also control the display based on number of rows. We can also increase or decrease number of rows, so that's how we can control the display. And we can search a particular job using the search option, and this search option works across the columns. So we can either search by job title, or we can also search by skill set. It works across the columns. So that's how we can use the search option. But this search option works only for the displayed jobs. And if a recruiter wants to search a particular job across the job databases, then they can use this advanced search option. So using this advanced search option, we can search based on set rules. So either using the job description, we can tell it contains any Java information, or we can also define the rules. Either it can have the skill set information, whether it belongs to any big data, if it skill set belongs to big data something. So we can search based on the multiple criteria. So the search gets updated, and once the advanced search is clicked, this display will change to clear search. So by using the clear search, we can clear the previous searches. So this is about the advanced search. And if a recruiter wants to add a new requisition, so they can use these buttons on the right corner. There are two action buttons. One is for quick requisition, and the other is for the detailed requisition. So by clicking on the quick requisition, if a recruiter wants to add brief information about the job, we can enter the details. So client name, job title. By entering this minimal information, we can we can update the job requisition. We can add the new job requisition. So if you want to assign it, and what is the primary skill set and secondary skill set and country it belongs to, and number of open positions and the work permit. So on some description, we can create this new job requisition. So the new job requisition got updated here. So this is about the quick requisition, but we can also add the detailed job requisition by clicking on this add. This window will pop up. Here we will have multiple tabs. So we'll have job detail. Once you fill all this, like suppose something I'll fill, client name and some manager, and then requisition where this is not mandatory, so I will just enter country of origin India and city Bangalore. So department R&D, and some email ID and number of open positions to state Karnataka, and then I'll assign to some recruiter. So as I have filled all the details in the first, then this next is popped up. So if you click on the next, it will go to the job details. So in the detailed job requisition, if we once we fill the client details, now the window will move to the job details. So here we give the job code and job type. So is it full time, part time? So and then start date. So from when this requisition has started. So I will give some date and then pay in rupees. So I'll just fill the mandatory details. It's not the mandatory information. So about the requisition something, I'll just type in position title. It's software engineer and duration years. If it is, I think the duration will be if it is a contractor job, then the duration is required. Otherwise, if it is permanent position, we need not fill that. Start date, end date to close the requisition. Probably we'll give some date and then just if you see here, the next button is highlighted. So if we click on the next, then it will move to the required skills. So in the required skills, so I'll just fill some details. Work permit, and experience, language. So as we have filled the required skills, now we can move to the next thing. So this is the review window where we can see all the details what we have entered. If you want to change or edit or is it fine, then if it is fine, then we'll just click on the create job order. So once we click on the create job order, so this is a first one what we have entered currently. So that has come here.